Hi everybody, we are back and we did the mobile food pantry today. Small little tiny haul for the mobile food pantry, but really good one because it fixes Easter dinner for me. We have a little tiny cabbage and a lot of carrots. They're going in our ham dinner. We're not actually having the ham dinner on Easter though. We're either having it Friday or Saturday because Sunday is supposed to be beautiful. So I want to grill. That's what we're doing on Sunday. And we have some speckled plums. I've never had a speckled plum. We'll shine him up so you guys can see him.
We're gonna try him.
He's so cute. We got onion bagels. Emma likes those. We like those. I like those. We got some hot dog buns and some hamburger buns so that for Easter dinner, for our Easter dinner, we'll have those. Little sub rolls just because, after we cook the ham on Saturday or Friday or whenever, we're going to have leftovers. So we're going to have ham salad. And ham salad on a sub roll? Oh, yeah.
Ew.
And the rustic oven sourdough bread. Never had anything by that company, but it looked really delicious. And a plant protein bread. Sprouted wheat, pea protein, and chickpea flour. I'd like to try that out. It's supposed to be really good, supposedly. Peas. And then we went into Hannaford, and Hannaford had their hams on sale. These were 99 cents because I got the butt portion instead of a shank because the butt portion has less bone in it. So we got 2 of those. $10.19 for this one and $9.93 for this one. Walmart did not have any on sale, so sorry Walmart, you lost out. And Hannaford had great looking grapes. And you know me and Emma are great people lately. And I got her some Black Noir.
Oh,
yes. And they're crispy. I made sure they were crispy. I picked up a 5-pound thing of chicken breast because next week some point Emma's supposed to do a ranch chicken
I should video
thing.
it.
And I forgot to get cream, but I've got plenty of time. Yes, you should video it.
Because I've never done a video, but it's really good.
I picked up the chicken breasts that are already done up, already ready to go because it's just so much easier.
And I don't like dealing with meat at all.
But it's just easier on me because then Mama doesn't have to do anything. Yeah. And no, nobody else likes pulling meat stuff apart. Except for me in my house. I'm the one that does it. I tell you what, I'm mean with a turkey, man. I can do the turkeys. They don't like it, especially when I pull out the neck and the gizzards and the hearts and everything. Oh, they think that's just disgusting. And we got some... Tonight for supper, we're having French toast. So we got some turkey bacon to go with it. And some Vermont maple premium sausage to go with it. And I was nice and checked out the different syrups.
These look good.
We got a Sapjack organic maple syrup. This is only 5 something. And it's bourbon aged, infused from bourbon barrels. That looks so good. And we got some strawberry fruit syrup. Emma really liked the raspberry that we got from Caswell, so I'm always looking out for something like that. They didn't have any raspberry, so I got her strawberry. I got you strawberry. And we're going to have that eventually with Better Goods strawberries and cream pancake mix.
They're pink, too.
Yes, and they have little strawberry things in them. They looked
without
really good.
certified synthetic colors.
Yeah, so they're really strawberry colored. But it looks so good. And I've been enjoying the Better Goods products.
Yeah.
They so far have been better goods.
The pancake totally matches the inside of the
And I'm supposed to make my own chicken and biscuits, I know, but I picked some up because I'm lazy this week. And some more Cheez-Its because great value.
Munched them down.
They've gone really quick, and me and Emma pretty much did that. And they had cinnamon graham crackers on rollback for $1.98 or something like that, so picked up a box of those. Mom picked up like 3 or 4. I don't go through so many graham crackers. I picked up some silicone stuff because I need to fix the front of my tub. And
The sticky.
I remember to get you stickies so that we don't have a accident in the shower, because nobody wants that.
No.
Alright, so that's my food pantry haul for today. And I took a little video of us getting to the mobile food pantry, so I don't think you guys will be able to see too much because, you know, there's too many cars in the way. And I didn't tape while I was going through it. People don't like that here in Maine. Mainers do not like being taped. They really do not. So, that's my haul for today. We'll see you on the next one, and I hope you all have a super wonderful, fantastic day, and like, subscribe, and share.